Is your Detroit Diesel Series 60 engine locked up? Noticing poor performance? Running rough? If your Series 60 is north of 700,000 miles, you may be ready for an in-frame rebuild kit. Avoid any negative impacts to your truck and bottom line. Get back on the road with America's trusted diesel engine parts supplier. Contact the experts at Highway and Heavy Parts, where we provide education, online resources, technical knowledge, and service, getting you back on the road. Experience the difference Highway and Heavy Parts can do for you and your diesel engine, like this in-frame rebuild kit for the Detroit Diesel Series 60. This in-frame kit comes with all new parts, all critical components your Series 60 needs with zero core charges. All components are built with hard-wearing materials for long-lasting strength and durability. Highway and Heavy Parts only sources the highest quality diesel engine parts following OE specifications and tolerances. This kit includes cylinder kits, piston crowns and skirts, piston rings, head bolts, and camshaft bearings, built to withstand the extreme conditions found in your high-end diesel engine. Fully seal up your Series 60 with a new complete gasket set designed with the latest OEM updates. Best of all, you're getting a complete in-frame kit of new premium components made to OEM specifications. Restore and extend the life of your engine for 1 million more miles. Quality, performance, and power, backed by a 2-year parts and labor warranty and industry-leading service from our ASE certified parts technicians. Connect with Highway and Heavy Parts for industry-leading technical knowledge, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping. From America's trusted diesel engine parts supplier. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.